Imagine pouring hours of your passion and creativity into a digital masterpiece, only for a sudden power surge to damage your computer or tablet, wiping away all your hard work. It is a disheartening thought, but luckily, protecting your valuable digital art set up from such a fate is simpler than you might think. For the best protection of your digital art setup, you absolutely need a high-quality surge protector power strip. This is not just any multi-outlet strip. It is specifically designed to defend your sensitive electronics against unexpected spikes in electrical voltage, keeping your creative tools safe and sound. The fundamental reason these devices are so crucial lies in how they handle electricity. Standard power outlets provide a steady flow of electricity, but sometimes, events like lightning strikes, faulty wiring, or even the cycling of large appliances can cause a sudden, intense burst of excess voltage. This burst, known as a power surge, can instantly fry the delicate internal components of your expensive digital drawing tablet, computer, or monitors, rendering them useless. A quality surge protector acts like a guardian, absorbing or diverting this excess electricity away from your connected devices. When choosing the right surge protector, look for a few key specifications. First, check the Joules rating. This number indicates how much energy the surge protector can absorb before it fails. For a digital art setup, which often includes multiple expensive components, aim for a Joules rating of at least 2000 to 2500. The higher the number, the more protection you get. Second, pay attention to the Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, certification. A UL 1449 certification ensures the device meets important safety and performance standards for surge protection. Finally, consider the number of outlets you need and ensure the strip offers enough space for larger power adapters without blocking adjacent ports. An often overlooked but vital feature is the clamping voltage. This indicates the voltage level at which the surge protector kicks in to divert excess power. A lower clamping voltage means faster response and better protection for your sensitive electronics. Look for a clamping voltage of 330 volts or less for optimal safety. Some advanced surge protectors also offer protection for your Ethernet or coaxial cables, which can be a smart addition if your internet connection also passes through potentially vulnerable lines. By investing in a high-quality surge protector with a robust Joules rating, a low clamping voltage, and proper safety certifications, you are actively safeguarding your digital art equipment from the unpredictable nature of electrical currents. This simple step provides invaluable peace of mind, allowing you to focus purely on your artistic endeavors, knowing your creative sanctuary is well protected.